Alright, getting pulled over here by the sheriff. Let me get another camera up. Oh, sorry.
How you doing?
Good, blessed. How's it going, sir? I normally got my cameras up on this side here, so how's it going?
Good. Stop you for two reasons.
Yeah.
First reason, your seatbelt is not on, and the second reason, you don't have a valid tag on the back of here.
Yeah. So I'm a private American national, and
I got you.
Yep. So I got all my documentation
Cool,
here.
good deal.
Yep.
You have a valid license with you?
I don't contract with the government.
You actually have a North Carolina ID right there in front of you.
No, this is not my identification.
Okay, so you don't have an ID card?
No, this is my documentation here, and
well, in order to drive in the state of South Carolina, you must have a valid license.
No, sir, I've canceled all my government contracts. I no longer contract with the government.
Okay.
I'm a private American national.
I understand.
And I have public notice here for your office.
Good.
What?
South Carolina Highway Patrol. Yes, sir.
All right, sounds good. Here's public notice for your, and it becomes legally binding. It becomes legally binding upon receipt.
No, sir. Actually, in the state of South Carolina, you must possess a valid driver's license to drive in this state. Okay. And what state was your license before you canceled it out of?
Sir, I don't contract. I've canceled my contracts with the government. So what you're trying to do right now is affiliate that contract with my car. Sir, you have to take this notice because it becomes legally binding.
I understand that, yes, sir.
Yep.
But in the state of South Carolina, you must have a valid license to drive in this state. Yes, sir.
Well,
and then whenever law enforcement actually stops you for a violation, which is your seatbelt violation and not having a tag on you,
I don't contract.
I understand that.
So you can't.
I got you.
You can't force my hand to contract.
Okay, real quick. Conversation, okay?
Yep.
Let me speak, and then you can respond. I don't like. Let's just not interrupt each other. I'm gonna give you a chance to speak as well. Okay? I'm not gonna interrupt you. All right?
I actually live in here, sir. I travel all over. I live in my van.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I understand
this is
that.
my dwelling. I actually live in here every day.
But in order to operate a motor vehicle on the roadway in the state of South Carolina, you must possess a valid driver's license, and that vehicle must be licensed and insured.
I'm bonded. I'm bonded underneath my nation's bond number. We have that is my insurance.
South Carolina state law, okay?
Yeah, but that doesn't apply to me though, because I'm operating under constitutional law.
Every citizen in the state of South Carolina.
Sir, I'm operating under constitutional law. I study the law.
Mr. Humphrey, what state is your valid license out of?
I study the law, sir. I'm not just out here doing this for no reason.
I understand that, yes, sir. Now, I'm not trying to impose on anything. I'm trying to do my job and enforce the laws of this state. But I just want to make sure that you understand what I'm saying. In the state of South Carolina, you must have a valid license to drive.
Have you taken an oath to protect and defend the Constitution?
Yes, sir.
It's a First Amendment constitutional right to travel freely, unencumbered, and unfettered upon the common way of mankind during his time. You understand? Then why are you?
Whenever you drive a motor vehicle in the state,
I'm not driving. I'm traveling. The Black's Law definition of driving is to be engaged in commerce on public roads. I'm not a commercial driver.
I understand that.
Yeah. So I'm not. You need a driver's license because you're being paid on a public road. That's you need
a driver's license as well.
No, I don't,
Mr.
sir.
Humphrey,
look,
please tell me what state.
The right to travel is the right of locomotive are absolute rights, and police cannot make void of any exercise of a right. The use of the highways for purposes of travel and transportation are not a mere privilege, but a common law fundamental right according to multiple Supreme Court justice rulings. Okay, and this is a lawsuit against the Cambridge Police Department. I literally just got my vehicle back. So, will you please have your superior come out here?
Got you, sir. Hang tight.
Yeah.
I have to run your information though. That way I can make sure that there's nothing, no warrants, anything.
Yeah, no, I'm not a criminal, man. I'm exercising my right.
I'm 10. Just need you at 25. I understand that, sir, but what state were you once licensed in?
Minnesota.
Okay. All right. Give me 1 second, Mr. Humphrey, okay? Yeah. Just hang tight for me, all right, sir?
So, just got stopped in South Carolina on my way to go get some food here. How's it going, sir?
How you doing, buddy?
All right.
Do you have your VIN or something with your vehicle information on?
I don't contract with the government. This is my private property, so I have a right to privacy, and so I don't contract with the government. Yeah. So in order for you guys to tow my vehicle or take me to jail, you have to violate my rights because I've canceled my government contract. No one can compel a person to contract. And then I also sent notice. See, I got all my documents authenticated.
Do you at least have car insurance?
Yeah, that's it right there. If you read, read that. That's my. We're all of our members are bonded and indemnified. So if I hit someone, that's the number I would use. We have a silver bond that covers all of our members.
Okay.
So,
does it say like insert?
it's bonded.
Code. What is that?
If you scan it, that's our international treaty. An international notice. So if you scan that, that'll give you all of our standing. And my nation's embassy is in California, but the
you
contact.
Just travel across the United States.
Yeah, I live in here.
Really?
Yeah, I live in here, man. This is my little mobile home, dude, and I travel all over, and so.
Well, it seems like you got a lot of space in there with that bed.
Yeah, I got, make it work. Yeah. I got a Planet Fitness membership, and I'm just exercising my right. Okay. I'm a preacher of the gospel. That's the main thing I do is, I preach the gospel. But I shared with my following because they watched me get arrested. So I'll show you.
Was
that was back in April.
Mr. Humphrey.
Yeah.
So right now you don't have a valid license. Like we discussed a while ago, you said you turn all stuff in. It's ID only. So we are going to be towing the vehicle. So who do you want to tow it? Do you have a preference of a tow service? Or call them off our rotation?
Sir, I literally just got my van back.
I understand that. Do you have a preference, or do you want us to call off our rotation?
Look, I literally just got my van back after 7 months, man. I came down here to get away from everything and enjoy the beach.
If you don't have any valid insurance, or
I do. If you look right there, I have that. That is my insurance. That's why it's in the window. That's my insurance right there. We're legally bonded under. We're legally bonded under a silver bullion bond, Yes, it is, sir.
I need to open the door so I can get the VIN.
Look, they had it since October 17th. That's the chalk that was written on it.
I need your VIN off your vehicle, so open the door for me.
No, sir, I don't contract with the government.
I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle then.
Sir, I don't contract with the government.
Supreme Court law says I can get you out of the vehicle. So
no, it does not, sir. You cannot. You have to illegally violate my rights right now if you're going to do that, because I've not committed any crime. You must have reasonable articulate suspicion I've committed a crime.
You weren't wearing your seatbelt. You don't have a tag on the vehicle.
That's not a crime.
You don't have a license.
That's not a crime.
Step out of the vehicle.
Sir, I
step out of the vehicle.
I refuse. I decline. I decline, sir.
And,
so they're gonna literally violate me, sir. I decline. So you're gonna have to force me then.
I don't want to use force, sir.
Right, no, but have I done anything wrong, sir?
Just step out of the vehicle.
Okay, can I get my stuff out?
Can you please step out? We will discuss that in a second. Do not grab me.
Hold on. No, I need to call my pastor. My pastor.
Okay, just step out, man. Hey, come on, dude. We've been cool, sir.
Out. I know I've not done anything wrong, sir. I've done nothing wrong, though.
I understand.
And you guys are just gonna take my property. You can't deprive someone of their property without just compensation or due process of law.
No, step out of the vehicle.
Sir, can I please call my pastor?
You are under arrest, driving without a license.
Okay, sir. Sorry. I'm sorry, sir. I'm just trying to call my pastor.
Put your phone down, please, sir. You are placed under arrest, driving without a license. Put your hands behind your back.
I did nothing wrong, guys.
Who you want to tow your vehicle?
Can I call my pastor? He's I don't have a
Is there anything you need to know about, sir?
No, sir.
Anything in the vehicle you need to know about?
No, sir.
Put this right here. Like I said, you are under arrest, driving without a license.
Tandy?
You already know if I'm going to take it?
Wouldn't be much of an oracle if I didn't.
But if you already know, how can I make a choice?
Because you didn't come here to make the choice. You've already made it. You're here to try to understand why you made it.
Hello, this is Thomas.
Is this the nation of Israel?
That's funny.